The purpose of this short video is to tell you about JLM Advance. It's a brand new synthetic performance oil developed for professional motor mechanics. It's the result of demand for motor mechanics and JLM distributors throughout the world. Our mission at JLM is to design and produce products of real measurable quality. Products you can use in your workshop knowing they will perform time and time again. To guarantee a premium quality workshop grade oil, JLM Advance is made in the Netherlands by one of the world's largest refineries. It is mixed to the same formula and technically equivalent to the car manufacturer's standards.
The main advantages we see in JLM as a brand is purely quality.
We have found a real world-class product with JLM.
From the youngest market in Myanmar to the modern market in Singapore, the automotive markets in Asia show tremendous growth. We are proud to work with Kingfisher Automotive in Singapore to deliver our very first JLM Advanced engine oil with car manufacturers' approvals in Asia. Where car ownership is highly valued, we believe that all car owners deserve the most premium lubricants to protect their expensive assets. To put JLM Advance to the test in your workshop, simply order your products now at Kingfisher Automotive in Singapore at kingfisherauto.com. Please visit jlmlubricants.com for more information.